Nestled discreetly at the rear of a secluded subdivision, a stone's throw from the sandy shores of empty Martha Beach, stands Robin House. This is no ordinary speculative home. It's a deliberate departure from the predictable, a thoughtful coastal design that whispers of bespoke craftsmanship rather than mass-produced uniformity. Conceived by Wolveridge Architects, Robin House boldly questions the conventional notions of speculative builds, proving that good design, cost consciousness, and fulfilling potential buyer desires can harmoniously coexist. The architectural narrative of Robin House unfolds as a gentle embrace of its natural surroundings. The dwelling thoughtfully wraps itself around a series of carefully curated landscape moments, creating pockets of verdant tranquility that permeate the interior spaces. This design strategy culminates in a central courtyard, a sun-drenched heart that draws natural light deep into the home and facilitates a refreshing cross-ventilation, blurring the lines between indoor comfort and the gentle coastal breezes. Stepping inside Robin House is to embark on a subtle yet captivating journey. The main living space is crowned by a striking gable ceiling, lending an airy volume and a sense of understated grandeur. In the master bedroom, a playful pop-up window with a sculpted reveal introduces an unexpected architectural flourish, elevating the space beyond the mundane. These deliberate design choices inject personality and depth, setting Robin House distinctly apart from the cookie-cutter aesthetic often associated with speculative ventures. Meticulous attention to detail extends to the selection of materials and the execution of even the smallest elements. Each space within Robin House boasts carefully considered moments, whether through the tactile richness of a chosen material or the artful execution of a brick detail. The wet areas explode with playful color, injecting a sense of fun and vibrancy. The kitchen stands as a focal point, showcasing a striking metal island crown with a seamless stone insert, its curved form echoing in the elegant splashback. Even the hallway possesses a tactile quality, inviting touch and exploration. The architects envisioned the arrival at Robin House as an experience in itself. Traversing the battle axe driveway, one is meant to feel a sense of anticipation, culminating in a welcoming embrace that instantly fosters a feeling of belonging. While the inherent challenge of a speculative home lies in anticipating the desires of an unknown future owner, Robin House cleverly navigates this by creating a spatial journey. From the threshold, the design subtly guides one through the dwelling, culminating in the inviting heart of the main living area. The conscious selection of materials, the carefully curated color palette, and the recurring motif of gentle curves all contribute to the overall sensory experience of Robin House. It exudes the refined charm of a boutique coastal retreat, upmarket in its thoughtful detailing yet maintaining a sense of effortless simplicity and sophisticated ease. Every corner of the dwelling has been meticulously considered, fostering a seamless connection between individual spaces and celebrating the harmonious relationship between the built environment and the serene coastal context in which Robin House gracefully resides.